Hello everyone! Today I've created this voluminous overnight curls tutorial for you. It's also absolutely heatless and easy, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. First you need to make a braids, and it's better to do after washing your hair and then it's 80% dry. Make sure your hair is damp enough, in this case it will work better, but not too much because it should dry completely with braids. To make it more simple, you can actually do just regular braids, but if you want to create this volume, it's better to plait from the very top. I'll show how I do it on one side. So I'm sectioned some hair and then splitted it into 3 equal strands. And I'm putting the right strand over the middle one, and that's now the middle strand. And now I'm taking the left strand and putting it over the middle one. And then repeat, but in this time I'm adding a thin section of hair to the right strand before crossing it over the middle one. And the same on the left side. You shouldn't worry about making it too neat, as it won't affect the hairstyle at all. Continue until you reach the nape of your neck and then finish off with a regular braid. So I'm gonna sleep like this and take it out in the morning. Okay, in the morning my hair looks messy, but it's okay. As I said, this will not affect the result. Make sure your hair is completely dry and then undo both the braids. It's important to make it very carefully and gentle if you don't want to get a fuzzy look. Also, I not recommend to brush your hair, but I'll just slightly brush the roots. And I'm doing a side parting, as I always tend to wear it on the side. So this is how my hair looks. To give it more natural and beachy look, I'm using my hairspray, which helps to reduce frizz and make hair looks more well-conditioned. I don't want to focus on products here. You can use any of your favorite hair products. And you can fix curls with some finishing mist, but it's also optional. Now our look is done, and I just want to show you how I like to style it a little bit different. First, I'll do a little regular braids on both sides, and as I go along, I'm pulling out the sides of the braid. It's best to do this as you go, because it's gonna be harder for you to pull it the sides of the braid if you go too far down. As this is done, all that's left is to decorate the braids with some hair accessories. And I chose these cute little hair rings. And now we're done. So this is how I've been achieving these voluminous beachy curls, which looks quite natural in my opinion. I hope this was useful for you. Please let me know if you're going to try it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!